Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome back to Fxc webinar. Uh, First of all, let me welcome everybody. We're waiting here for my colleague Thomas. Today we prepared the Forex fundamentals starting from scratch. We are going to go over everything in complete detail for any new forex beginners, so that they can get started and have all their questions answered. Okay, so now I would like to let Thomas introduce himself and tell us a bit more about FXC in general for people who don't know.
Okay, so hello guys, my name is Thomas and I'm account manager in FX Centrum. It means I'm basically talking with clients about the market opportunities and giving them possibilities what to trade and also advices if they ask to. I share with them my opinion on the market, and of course they are trading according that. And basically, Trading Centrum is the place where you can trade with commodities, indices, forex, or with stocks. So you can create a trading account and and use these instruments to trade. Um, so that's it in the short version. And of course, it's usually for bigger clients this service, but we also have signals on Telegram. So I'm posting every day to our Telegram group signals about trading. You can also uh, join this Telegram group if you create live account with FX Centrum and deposit any amount for trading. So then you are allowed to see our signals and use them for your own profit. Mm. Okay, so that's it, and that's it.
Okay, all right. That's the aforementioned trading signals new feature that Thomas was talking about, and we will go a bit further on that a while later. So let's start at the complete beginning. Let's say you are a complete novice. You don't know what to do, where to go, but you do know that you want to trade. You have some money, well, I mean, some money. Minimum deposit is just 10 USD, so basically anybody can start trading and making profits. So you have 10 USD at least, and you want to turn them into more. So what do you do? Well, the complete first beginner steps. Well, it would be to go to fxcentrum.com and create an account. And we will teach you how to do that, how to do exactly that in just 1 second. But before we go through all of that, I want to highlight a couple of useful steps that you can take to make sure that your trades will be a success. So, good first steps for a couple complete novices would be to first read articles for beginner traders. So, if you go to fxcentrum.com, under our analysis and education section, you will find ideas and analysis, and there are plenty uh, very inspiring, very educational articles. Uh, Very useful to beginner traders to get familiar with the whole market environment. Another thing would be to learn basic trading terms. So, what is a swap? What is a resistance? Spread,
or support resistance.
support. Yeah, all that mambo jumbo. So you will know what is everybody talking about. Check out the scheduled economic events in our economic calendar, for instance. So, like what was it yesterday? There was the Amazon and Apple Q1 reports.
This is what the colleague is talking about earnings. So yeah,
Earning
you
reports.
can check also. There is on the internet you can check earnings calendar. So when big companies show their earnings, but there is also economic calendar, and for example, there are currencies showing like GDP or I don't know, unemployment rate. So there is many data, and you can see next to this data what currency it affects
And
usually.
all of these stuff, like, they move the market responds to that, so it moves your money up and down. So you want to know what will happen next, and
And
what's
when are these events?
yeah, so
So
that's
there could be bigger volatility in that time.
absolutely.
Volatility is, by the way, movements on the market.
Yeah, those are
It's
the basic trading terms. Yeah. So to find out more about what volatility means, go to our basic trading terms. To learn more about the scheduled economic events, check out our economic calendar. We also have video tutorials on trading. We have a demo account where you can familiarize yourself with our trading environment. You can subscribe to our amazing new trading signals that Thomas mentioned
yeah.
before.
I already mentioned, yeah, that we have this that
Direct
group.
push
Yeah,
notification in real time, straight to your device, telling you, giving you the best trading advice. Is that right?
of course.
Yeah. So and why should people trust your take? I mean, who are you?
Yeah,
Who are you to tell them what to do?
yeah. As I already mentioned on the beginning, I'm an account manager in FX
Hmm.
Centrum, and I have ideas of experience on the market. So
Wow, that's a lot.
I already saw many things on the market. Of course, it's my ideas, my you know, my ideas about trading. Maybe somebody can have other mind, but it's always about the successes, and I think I have a lot of success traits behind me, so I think I can uh, share with you great analysis, and I believe you can make profits with them.
So you heard it here. The reason why you can trust, or you can um take into consideration our training signals, is because of years of experience, of professional traders providing you with not some random guesstimates, but experience-based ideas based on the market. And I assume plenty of professional tools that the average beginner or novice or just somebody who isn't a day trader doesn't have the capital to invest in, to get those advanced reports and analytics of the market and stuff like that.
Yeah, and I also have access to expensive analysis, so I check the chart how it looks with my indicators. Plus, I have uh, access to paid analysis, which cost $5,000 per month. So it's a not cheap thing.
Jesus.
They have a really great statistic of success traits. So I compare it with this, and I'm trying to help you, our our clients, to achieve profits on the market.
Okay, so another thing would be to, with the broker that you're considering on using, ask them questions. It's your money, so you are in the right to know more about your broker, to know more about how this thing works, what are the next steps. So, for instance, you can get in touch with us on our social media, on our website. If you go to company, you press on live chat, you get connected directly to our Facebook Messenger, and somebody from our team will get back to you very, very quickly. And we also do Monday to Thursday at the end of workday, GMT plus time, a quick Ask Me Anything sessions. It's so every day. Basically, we live stream, if we take into account these Friday webinars, and you can engage with us directly, ask us questions, and we will answer in real time. And sometimes on webinars, we will also reward some of you with some 100 USD non-deposit bonus, or some VIP access to trading signals, or some other very very nice goodies for you traders. Another thing would be to take advantage of unique promotional offers for new traders. So check out current competitions. Definitely check out our current competitions where you can win actual platinum and gold and silver bars, which is I frankly kind of ridiculous. Like, can you imagine having a real gold bar at home? Like, what? That's so cool. And
Of course, it's looking nice, and its value is increasing every year. So it's good to have
exactly.
this at home.
Exactly. And other than that, we have 100% first deposit bonus. So whatever sum you deposit as your first deposit in your new trading account, no matter how big or ridiculous, we will definitely 100% guarantee match it, and you will trade with double of that. And I would just probably mention quickly just staying up to date with a trusted market news source, which you can check out market news also at Fxc or Bloomberg or any other source that you like. And maybe join some trading communities. There are plenty of Facebook groups. We even started our own Telegram trading community that you can join. So definitely check out all of those things. And now, after the preamble, let's go to the main course and show you how to create an account at FX Centrum. So we prepared this handy little video that we'll play, and it goes through everything in like 3 minutes because it's super fast and super easy to create an account. It literally under 5 minutes, and you can start trading. So we will play you that. But before I do, I want to mention that don't be shy and do ask us questions in the chat. We like to see the engagement. We like to talk to people, and we will reward the most engaged, the most active one of you with 100 USD non-deposit bonus on your trading account. So that's 100 United States dollars in credit non-deposit bonus directly to you, just for asking questions, just for being engaged. So don't be shy and definitely ask us any questions. And yeah, let's see how to create an account at Fxc.
To create an Fxc account, simply go to fxcentrum.com and click on Get It Now. Fill in your name, surname, email address, your country's phone prefix, in this case, Nigeria, and the rest of your phone number. Select your country. Create a secure password for your login account. Repeat the password for confirmation. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Create Account. You will see a confirmation message. To continue, go to your email application. You will receive an email from the Fxc Clients Zone with your account verification link. Click on this link. Now your account was successfully verified. Click on Login. Log in with the email and password you filled in earlier. Click Login. Select your date of birth. Fill in your address, zip code, and city. Click Next. Upload your ID. Click Upload. Click Next. Choose your trading platform. In this case, we will select Fxc. Choose your leverage. We are going to choose 1 to 1000. Your currency is automatically set to United States dollar. Choose the size of your bonus. Let's select the biggest one. Create a password, this time for your trading account, and repeat the password for confirmation. Click Create a real account. Now your trading account was successfully created. Click Next. Choose your preferred payment method. The minimum deposit amount is $10. Click Deposits and go to the Client Zone. Here you can download the Fxc Client software app on iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows. You can also trade directly from your browser on desktop and mobile through the web trader. This is your login ID number. Copy this number. Click on the web trader option. Select your platform. Insert your login ID number we copied earlier and your trading account password. Now you can start trading on the global trading markets.
Claim your deposit bonus at fxcentrum.com. We wish you a successful trading with FX Centrum. And remember, with FX Centrum, impossible is now possible.
Okay, and we are back. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. We will now, it was pretty simple, right? It's like 3 minutes, barely enough time to go to the bathroom.
Yeah. Very simple.
So by, what else? I mean, it takes me longer to drink a cup of coffee than that whole video played. So you can literally, while someone else is drinking coffee, you can create an account and start trading and earning some profits, which is just freaking incredible. How easy and simple and intuitive it all is. Okay, guys, I hope you can see my screen right now. It looks like you can. Feel free to let us know in the chat if everything shows up right. So you go to fxcentrum.com. You created your account or everything. You can, in your client zone, download the app of your choice. And you can also download it here in platforms where you choose Fxc Trader or Metatrader 5, because we offer 2 platforms, both pretty amazing. And you can also find direct download links in the footer. So there's plenty of places where to download your app. There's no way that you won't find it. And now let's pretend that we just downloaded the application, and we are going through. Can everyone see? Yay! All right. So we just downloaded the application. We open our downloads, and here we have the FX Centrum desktop platform set up. You open it up. It's a pretty basic installation. Anybody who's ever installed any platform software on Windows will be very familiar with that. Oh, look at that. What a nice animation. So that's a little loading symbol. That's very nice. So depending on your hardware, right now we're using a budget laptop. It will go faster or slower. We skipped the whole installation part because we already installed this software. But like I said, it's very simple. Anybody who's familiar with installing software on Windows, basically you just click next, install, finish, and that's it. And so this is what you will see once you open the app after installation. We will now use our demo presentation environment and show you guys what it looks like inside and what all the buttons means and all that stuff. Just give us a second to log in prepare whatever questions you have installed. We go too fast for you? Did you not have enough time to pay attention? So if you want us to repeat anything, just let us know. Okay.
Okay, so let me show you what we can do here. So this is a platform which I'm using. I'm watching charts on this application. So here you can see that you can add some favorite instruments. Here you can check like biggest movers or biggest losers. So you can check what are the biggest or movements on the market, gains and also biggest drops in one day. Then you have sentiments of all clients who are using this platform, but not only in our company, but in general. So everybody who is using this application for trading, you can check the sentiment, how many people are buying and how many people are selling, like percentage. You can check also the opposite sides, if more people are selling than buying some currency or any other instruments. You can click and you can change it for indices, for commodities, for crypto. So basically it will show you all the biggest biggest how to say biggest
Trends,
trends or something. Yeah,
the movements of the market, or the
like how many people are for example, you can check this currency pair. There is 87% are selling and only 30% are buying. So
and
like,
why is this
what is the
information
site?
useful to new traders? Is that like a tool that allows us to know what the
It's
market
just
is thinking?
no,
And
it's
or
just for you to know, for example, if many people think that it will go up, or many people think that it will go down. So it's just for you to maybe better decide what to do with these instruments. So yeah. Okay, next we can see currency pairs. So there you can see the currency pairs. Here you can see indices. So you can check America, Europe, indices. Then we have commodities. So you can check commodities. And the last thing is cryptocurrencies. Okay, here you can add some charts. As you can see, I have some charts here. So let me show you how to add a chart. So let's close that first. And for example, if we want a chart of GBP USD, you can simply do it like this, search for it, and here is this logo of candles, 3 candles. So if you click on open chart, yeah, so you have it. We have a chart of GBP versus American dollar. And these lines, what you can see here in my chart, it's my indicators, what I'm looking. It's basically it's moving averages and Bollinger Bands. So I can explain it to you more in some next video, or maybe if you would become my client, we can talk about it. Yeah, so basically this is what we can do on this platform. And I can also show you how to open trade. For example, if you want to open trade, you can do it by here. So you can set up the volume and you can buy or sell. Or the second option, more advanced, is to double click on that instrument you want to open. And good on this platform is that you can see exactly how much you will gain, how much you will lose when using this. So for example, if we would like to buy, we can change the volume to 1 at least. And we can see if we set up the take profit of, for example, 1.26, you can see that you will earn $550 if it reaches that target. And the other hand, we can see how much you will lose if you, for example, set up take profit here, so you can see that you will lose this amount of money. So it's very nice that it calculates for you.
Okay, so that's amazing. I can see that basically I have a lot more to gain than I have to lose just from this particular trade, and I can just put that in like my calculations, just
Yeah,
generally with my
it's always
portfolio.
better to search for trades when you can gain more than lose, because even if that trade wasn't
Because you will
bad.
lose. That is a part of that is
Yeah.
the thing nobody is saying. You will lose at some point. You will lose. Absolutely, that's a normal part of trading. Everybody
of
loses.
course, sometimes you have to also close some losses. You cannot trade just with profits. It's almost impossible. Of course, if you are lucky, you can have many good profitable trades, but in one point you will have also some loose trades. But it always have to be like good risk reward ratio, so you will gain more than lose. So this is very important. And there is also good that you can see the spread. You can see it's very low. It's moving, so you can see how much you will pay for open this trade. You can see real value of this instrument, how much is the real value. But we are using leverage, so margin requirements is just this, just 600. So
And I see that the numbers are constantly changing, so it's pretty like updating up to the millisecond at all times, and letting you know the exact momentary value, right?
Yeah, so basically it's very easy, I think, to use this platform, and maybe for smaller accounts or for beginners is maybe better to start trading with this platform. Okay, let's now switch.
Let's switch to
MetaTrader.
MetaTrader. Exactly. And while we set that up, can you tell us what is the main difference between MetaTrader and Fxc Trader? Or is it just like a pair of two beautiful twins and it doesn't matter which one because both of them are great choices?
Difference is maybe in the some lot size. For example, on XOH Trader, you can trade indices.
For those who don't know, XOH Trader is Fxc Trader.
Yes, Fxc Trader.
The terms are interchangeable.
Yeah. So in Fxc Trader you can trade indices, you can buy one piece of index, but in MetaTrader 5 you have to buy like one lot or 0.10 lot, and in one lot there is 100 pieces of this index. So for smaller accounts it's maybe better to trade with Fxc Trader, because there is possible to open smaller volumes on these indices. And MetaTrader 5 is more advanced, so there is more options to add more indicators. But it's maybe for somebody who like it more, it's you can do the same on both platforms. So I think it's.
But Fxc Trader is more beginner friendly, right?
Yes, because it's calculating for you, as I showed you on that. When we are going to open trade, you can see exactly how much you will gain if it achieves your take profit, how much you can lose if it achieves your stop loss. So it's good that it's calculate for you, and MetaTrader does not. But on MetaTrader, maybe there are more nicer charts on mobile applications. But it depends what you like more. Both applications are useful.
Okay, and we are getting. Okay, just setting it up right here. Okay, just having some technical. All right. Okay, so I have to find the app to actually open the app. Technical difficulties. Okay, so let us show you what it looks like when you open up MetaTrader 5. after installation, which we just showed you a second ago, you saw how fast it installed because it's very optimized and lightweight application.
Okay, so you already have created account, so you just click on connect with existing account. You just put your ID. So let me find my ID. Okay, I have it.
So
And
as you've seen, the
password.
account creation super fast, under 3 minutes, under 5 minutes, 3 minutes and 40 seconds actually. But I was with the outro as well. And the installation happened under 1 minute. So actually, in under 10 minutes, you can have your account set up, money deposited, and even application download and start trading. So that's quite unbelievable. Under 10 minutes. Somebody doesn't even go through their morning routine under 10 minutes.
Okay, so let's. I will show you how to, for example, open the trade or close the trade on MetaTrader 5. You just simple find the instrument you want to open. For example, euro versus American dollar. You just double click on that. You just set up the volume. So, for example, let's go with small 0.1. You just set up the take profit. So where it close. So we can set up, for example, 0.054. Let's try. And you just simply choose the direction. Let's try buy for now. And that's it. We have trade here. As you can see, we have that little spread. So even in 1 second, I'm in a little profit already. So this is a really big advantage on that currency pairs, that there is really a low spread. So when you open it, you are immediately in profit. So as you can see, but this is a really small position. Okay. So it's just like that. But yeah.
But thank you so much for that demonstration. That's we do appreciate that. I have to say I like this interface a little bit less than the FX Centrum. The FX Centrum's Fxc Trader interface of the application feels much more just nicer and beginner friendly. I'm not sure what it is.
Yes, for beginners it's better, but MetaTrader 5 is the platform that is used all around the world. So many people are more familiar with that platform. So it's everybody's choose what to want. That's why we have both platforms.
Exactly. It's about what you want.
For beginners, I would recommend maybe more that Fxc Trader, because it calculates for you. Here you have to know the calculation, how to calculate the trades, how to calculate the profits, and also the losses when you set up the take profit or stop loss somewhere. Yeah. So
here's a fun question.
Also,
what platform do you use?
I use both. Because I
try to get you. I try to get you, but you got me.
Yeah, because I have clients also on MetaTrader 5. I have clients on Fxc Trader, so I use both platforms. But as you can see, I'm trading on the previous account. I hadn't money, but here I have some. So yeah, so you can see. Okay, I will also show you how to add some instrument. So you can just simply click on this, and you can choose what instrument you want to add. For example, some index. And here you can choose indexes. So for example, we can add Dow Jones. So just click and then just double click on that. And if it's yellow, then it adds you already to your list of instruments. So that's the one option. Or if you would like to add all the instruments, you can just right click and click like show all, and you will have full big list.
Oh wow, that's a lot of instruments.
Yeah, but you have a lot of stocks here. So stocks are there is a lot of stocks, companies. So if you don't want to have that big list, you can just simply click hide all, and you can just add the instruments you want, and you
Oh,
can choose them. You can choose them from here.
Well, that's absolutely handy.
So
That looks very
we
useful.
can add, for example, this, or we can use also some futures, for example, oil, nat gas. Yeah, so you can choose the instrument you want, and you just press OK. And for example, if you would like to add chart of that instrument, just right click on that instrument and click chart window, and you will see chart. Here we can also change. Wait a moment, we have to add one thing. Okay, if you want to change the time frames of chart, you have to have this, and you can also change the time frames, like daily chart,
okay. So
hourly
that's daily,
chart.
hour, month.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay,
that's
so
great.
that's it. Basics of MetaTrader 5.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that this was very useful, very informative stuff for you. Do reach out. Do let us know what would you think would be the great next webinar topic. Let us know what you want to know. And don't forget that we do reward engagement. So maybe you felt a bit shy today, you didn't have any questions. We covered all because we did go over a lot of stuff. But we do these webinars every week. So definitely log in next week and maybe even prepare some questions today. And I will make sure to find some lucky winners for our non-deposit bonus next week during next webinar. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Once again,
nice weekend.
Have a nice weekend. That's
Yeah.
right. It's Friday. Everybody's getting down on Friday. Okay.
When there was teachers, maybe.
So if you want to know more about our brokerage services, go to fxcentrum.com and you can find all the information that you need to start your trading journey right there. And do check out our amazing promotions that can earn you some very nice profits. So definitely go and do that. But most importantly, have a nice weekend. Bye, guys.